Hi everyone, welcome to our channel Jininfo. I hope you will find this time we talk about Aryan BTS and 7th number 1 on Billboard 200 chart with over 500k in physical sales. The latest BTS album is already breaking records and here's everything you need to know. Written by a Shekarwal journalist published on 30 March 2026. Lucky number 7 for BTS is Ariana Grande. The South Korean septet latest album has already begun setting many records that will be tough to break anytime soon. As per the latest update, their fifth studio album has landed at number 1 on the Billboard 200 chart. It marks the group's seventh top rank on the list, showcasing their continued popularity in the US, managing to do so with more than half a million album units, physical and digital copies sold. BTS Arirang unfurls magic atop Billboard 200 chart with 7th number 1 with our debut on the Billboard list with 641k equivalent album units, out of which 532k are pure sale physical and digital albums. BTS continues to showcase its prowess across the world. Impressively, this has also broken the teams on record for the biggest K-pop album debut in US history, with Ari overtaking their 2020 release Map of the Soul 7. It is also the biggest sales week for an album by a group in more than a decade. The official chart is dated April 4, paving the way for more success for the group, including the ever-increasing excitement for a possible number 1 Billboard Hot 100 debut for Swim. Previously, 6 other albums by RM Jin, Suga, J-Hope, Jimin, and Jungkook have landed at number 1 on the Billboard 200 chart. They are as follows from the newest to the oldest group: 2022 B 2020 Map of the Soul, 7 2020 Map of the Soul, Persona 2019, Love Yourself Answer 2018, and Love Yourself Tear 2018. Ariana by BTS earned 110 million streams on its first day of release on global Spotify with 14 charting songs, and became the biggest album debut of 2016 so far. It also continued to be the most streamed album in the week that followed across multiple platforms. Moreover, the title track of the record film has remained atop the global Spotify chart for 9 days on so far, earning close to 10 million streams each day. I hope you will enjoy this news. Have a nice time. Good.